Greetings subscribers, here we have a gramophone in need of some TLC and restoration. I don't really know what make or model it is. Anyway, let's have a little look and see a little bit more about it. There we go. Aha, interesting. Here we have a record. What record is that? That's Charlie Kun's piano medley number R10. We'll hopefully be able to play that in the future. So here we go, here we have the arm. There's no needle in there at the moment. It's quite nice and ornate. A little bit of work on the inside of this box. Looks like there's something possibly missing there. I don't know what. Let's take off the record. Here we have the turntable, various levers. I'm assuming that's where the crank goes. So, if you've got any idea what make this might be, I don't think it's HMV. I've had a look at HMVs and it doesn't look like one of them. Perhaps put a comment in the bottom. If you've enjoyed this video or want to see what happens to this gramophone, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.